All right, let's talk about motor insurance. It's something we all have, something we all pay for. But if we're being honest, most of us just hit that renew button every year without a clue what we're actually buying. Well, today, that changes. We're going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly what's going on with your policy. I mean, think about it. If something happened tomorrow, would you know for sure what's covered and, maybe more importantly, what's not? That little bit of doubt, that uncertainty, that's exactly what we're going to clear up right here, right now. Okay, so here's our game plan. We're breaking it down into 5 key parts. We'll start with the docs you need just to get on the road. Then we'll decode what your policy actually says, find ways to save you some cash, walk you through making a claim, and finally, look at some awesome ways to level up your coverage. Right. First things first. Before we even get into the nitty-gritty of insurance policies, there are a few essential documents you absolutely have to have. These are the non-negotiables for driving legally in India. The driving license. I know, it sounds super obvious, right? But it's more than just a photo ID. It's the official proof that you're qualified to handle a specific kind of vehicle. The license for your scooter is different from your car license, which is different from a big commercial truck. It's all about proving you've got the skills for the machine you're driving. Next up, the registration certificate, or RC. You can think of this as your vehicle's personal ID card, its birth certificate. It has all the unique details, engine number, chassis number, and links the vehicle directly to you. Bottom line, without a valid RC, your vehicle has no business being on the road. Now, this one isn't for everybody. A permit is specifically for commercial or transport vehicles. So if you're driving a taxi, a truck, a bus, basically if you're using your vehicle to earn money by carrying people or goods, you absolutely must have a permit. It's the law. Okay, now for the main event, the insurance policy itself. And listen, if you only remember one thing from this entire explainer, please make it this part. Understanding the 2 main types of policies is absolutely crucial. So it's pretty simple when you break it down. A liability-only policy is the absolute bare minimum you need by law. It covers damage you cause to other people or their property. It does nothing for your own car. A package policy, or comprehensive, covers the other person and it protects your own vehicle from damage or theft. That's the one that really gives you peace of mind. And just look at what own damage actually covers. It's not just about a fender bender. We're talking about things like fire, theft, riots, even natural disasters like floods and earthquakes. It even covers your car if it gets damaged while being transported on a truck or a train. It's a huge safety net. All right, knowing what's covered is great, but how about we save some money on it? Yeah, I thought so. There are a couple of key rules buried in the fine print that can have a massive impact on your premium. Meet your new best friend, the No Claim Bonus, or NCB. This is basically the insurance company's way of rewarding you for being a safe driver. For every single year that you don't make a claim, they give you a nice little discount on your next renewal. And how nice a discount are we talking? Well, it can go all the way up to a whopping 50%. That's right. After 5 years in a row with no claims, you could be paying half of what you used to for the own damage part of your insurance. That is a huge deal. And you can see right here how it grows. You start with a solid 20% after just 1 year, and then it just keeps climbing. 25, 35, 45, until you hit that beautiful 50% cap. It really, really pays to drive safe. Now, for the other side of that coin, the compulsory deductible. Think of this as your small share of any repair bill. It's a fixed amount, usually just 1,000 rupees or so for a car, that you pay first. After you pay your part, the insurance company covers the rest. It's basically there to stop people from claiming every tiny little scratch. So let's hope you never need this part. But what do you do when something actually happens and you need to make a claim? It can feel pretty stressful, but if you know the steps, it's actually a very clear process. It really boils down to just 4 steps. 1, and this is the most important, tell your insurance company immediately. Don't wait. 2, they'll send out a surveyor to assess the damage. 3, you get all your documents in order and submit them. And 4, once it's all approved, you get your settlement. See? Manageable. Just one really important note here. For something serious like a theft or a major accident, filing a First Information Report, or FIR, with the police is not optional. It is an essential legal step you have to take for your claim to even be considered. All right, last section. We've mastered the basics, so now let's talk about how you can level up your policy. These are optional add-ons you can buy to get some seriously good extra protection. You've probably heard this called zero dep. Here's how it works. Car parts lose value as they get older, right? That's depreciation. A normal policy will deduct that lost value from your claim. But with this add-on, they don't. You get the full price of a brand new part. It's an absolute game changer, especially for newer cars. This one is another lifesaver for new car owners. You know how a car's value plummets the second you drive it out of the showroom? Well, if your car is stolen or totaled, a standard policy only pays you that lower current market value. This add-on gets you back the full invoice price you originally paid. It's incredible. Okay, listen up because this is so important, especially if you live anywhere with heavy rains or flooding. A standard policy often won't cover your engine if water gets inside it, which can destroy it. This special add-on gives you that protection. It can literally save you from a repair bill that costs a fortune. When it comes down to it, it's all about this one simple idea. Your insurance policy isn't just a renewal reminder. It's a contract. And knowing what's in that contract, understanding it, well, that puts you in the driver's seat. It gives you the power. So now I've got a challenge for you. Go find your policy. Take a real look at it. Is it just liability or a full package? What's your no-claim bonus sitting at? And then ask yourself the big question. Now that you know what's what, is the policy you have today the right one to protect you tomorrow?